Imagine waking up and checking your phone to see your bank account growing, all without doing anything extra. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, making passive income is more achievable than ever before. With the rise of new technology and evolving online platforms, there are endless opportunities for you to make money while you sleep. But how do you get started? What are the best and fastest ways to build passive income this year? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 of the most effective ways you can start earning passive income in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or you've already dabbled in passive income, these tips will help you get ahead. Let's get into it. 10. Start an online course or digital product. One of the quickest ways to start earning passive income is by creating an online course or digital product. If you have knowledge or expertise in a certain area, whether it's graphic design, cooking, fitness, or digital marketing, you can create a course or an ebook and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website. Once the course is created and uploaded, you can continue to earn money from it with little to no ongoing effort. The best part about digital products is that they can sell 24/7 without you lifting a finger. The initial time investment may be significant, but once it's created and set up, it's all about promoting it and letting it sell. If you have a niche you're passionate about, this could be a game changer for building passive income in 2025. 9. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has always been a tried and true method for building wealth, but not everyone has the capital to invest in property directly. This is where real estate crowdfunding platforms come in. In 2025, platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with a much smaller initial investment compared to buying properties on your own. Once you've made your investment, these platforms take care of the property management and income collection, meaning you can earn passive income from real estate without dealing with the hassle of tenants or property maintenance. The returns might take time to build up, but it's one of the fastest ways to start earning passive income in 2025 with relatively low effort. 8. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you earn a share of the company's profits on a regular basis, usually quarterly or annually. The great thing about dividend stocks is that you don't need to sell the stock to make money. Just holding onto it and collecting dividends can build a steady stream of income over time. To get started, all you need to do is open a brokerage account with platforms like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. You'll want to research stocks that have a history of paying consistent dividends, such as blue chip stocks. While dividends may not make you rich overnight, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to earn passive income over time, especially as your portfolio grows. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending has become a hot way to earn passive income, and it's gaining popularity in 2025. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. You can start investing with relatively small amounts, and the return on investment, ROI, can be much higher than traditional savings accounts or CDs. Of course, there's always a risk with lending, as there's a chance the borrower might default. But platforms usually offer tools to spread your investments across multiple loans, helping to reduce that risk. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach to earning passive income, P2P lending is a solid choice for 2025. 6. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you're into content creation, starting a blog or YouTube channel is another great way to build passive income. It takes time and effort to grow your audience, but once your platform gains traction, you can start earning money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Monetizing a blog or YouTube channel requires consistency, but once your content is up and running, it can continue to earn money passively. With YouTube, for example, you can make money from ads even when you're not actively uploading new videos. For blogs, affiliate links and sponsored posts can keep the cash flowing. The beauty of both options is that they're scalable, meaning the more content you create, the more opportunities you have to earn. 5. Create an app or software. If you have programming skills, Creating an app or software can be a great way to generate passive income in 2025. The app development market continues to grow, and if you can build an app that solves a common problem or meets a specific need, you could create a steady income stream. Once the app is created and listed on platforms like the Apple App Store or Google Play, you can earn money through in-app purchases, ads, or subscription models. This method does require an upfront time investment, but once the app is live and being downloaded, you can continue to make money without much effort. 4. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you want to make money from real estate but don't want the hassle of property management, investing in REITs is a great option. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance real estate projects and pay out dividends to investors. The good news is that you don't need a large amount of capital to get started, and REITs can be traded just like stocks on platforms like E-Trade or Fidelity. Investing in REITs allows you to earn passive income from the real estate market without having to own any properties yourself. Many REITs offer attractive dividend yields, making them a popular choice for people looking to generate income with minimal effort. 3. License your photography or artwork. If you're a photographer or artist, you can turn your work into passive income by licensing it. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to upload your photos and artwork, which are then available for others to purchase. Each time someone buys your image, you earn a royalty. The best part is that once your content is uploaded, you can continue to earn money with little to no effort on your part. If you have a large portfolio of high-quality images, this can become a nice passive income stream that continues to earn money for years to come. 2. Sell digital assets, ebooks, templates, fonts. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or fonts can provide a passive income that grows over time. Once you've created a product, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. The beauty of digital products is that once they're made, they can be sold to an unlimited number of customers without any additional effort on your part. If you have a specific skill or expertise, you can create ebooks or guides and sell them to an audience. Similarly, if you're creative, you can sell design templates, fonts, or other digital assets that people can use in their projects. The key is to create high-quality products that people are willing to pay for, and once they're up for sale, you'll earn money without having to do much work. 1. Automated dropshipping. Dropshipping has been around for a while, but in 2025, it's more automated and streamlined than ever. With dropshipping, you sell products online through a store without holding any inventory. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The best part? You don't have to handle any of the fulfillment. In 2025, using automated tools like Shopify, Oberlo, and Spocket allows you to set up a dropshipping business that runs mostly on autopilot. Once your store is set up and marketing is in place, your job is mostly about monitoring performance and making adjustments when necessary. This is one of the fastest ways to get started with passive income online, as you don't need to deal with inventory or fulfillment. So there you have it, 10 of the fastest ways to make passive income in 2025. Whether you're into real estate, content creation, or starting your own business, there are countless opportunities to earn money with minimal effort. While these methods aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they can provide long-term passive income that grows over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe for more practical advice on making money and building wealth. The world of passive income is wide open in 2025, so start taking action today, and you'll see the rewards soon enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.